House. So we made it in one piece. I'm not gonna tell you what we was doing, but we made it. Got my man Toke, got my baby, got a blue RT that just pulled up. I'm feeling that. Got my man right here. This clean thing. Shout your channel out, bro.
Oh yeah, Marcus Customs, man.
Yeah.
Marcus Customs with a Z on everything.
You
Facebook,
already know that.
Instagram.
Look at that.
Oh,
Daytona on deck. Clean. Clean. Whole lot going on out here. Whole lot going on. Got a rainbow over there. Got the cops on the other side of that.
Pretty close over
We're at
there.
Jack's Wax Meat, man. Jack's Wax shutting it down. We up here in Gastonia, North Carolina. I'm sure I brought you guys with me. This ain't the first time. Whole lot going on. Oh yeah. Got the boys. They not playing no game. They not playing no game. So we lost them. We lost them. Whole lot going on. We left them in the dust. They got left. Ain't nowhere to park. They just rolling through the show.
Yo,
What up? What up? What's going on, man?
chilling.
Rap charge. Oh,
Man, y'all gonna kill me.
copyright. They're gonna kill us with the copyright. Internal. Hey, yo, we back there. We back there, bro. You'll see us. Wide bodies on deck. Whole lot going on. Wide body Hellcat. I was behind him trying to keep up. Look at this motherfucker.
You get lost?
Yeah, we got separated like 3 groups, man. But we back there. You'll see my car. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. I'm feeling that. What up, dog? Whole lot of shit going on, man. It's wild.
That one, bro. Look at that. That's so pretty.
I look familiar right there. Oh man. Look familiar? WRX. Got another wide body. They all over the place, right? They all over the place. They still got the pink on there.
Yeah, I know. You gotta get them off there.
You gotta take that shit off.
I like the color.
It worked. What's going on? Bro. Got another wide body. Got another one. That one's good. What's up? What's good? What up, what up, what up? Oh shit. You can tell they just got stuck. Damn, look at that thing.
Yeah. Custom up there.
That thing huge.
Great shirt.
You gotta love that. Goku?
Oh yeah, that's hard.
Who is
That's
that?
hard.
Whoever car this is, man, hit me in the DMs. Knockout 360, man. This is clean. I like that, man. Gold handles, gold rims. I like that. That's clean. Trying not to get hit.
Could hit your could never hit my mind.
I know him.
My DNA electric slide. No cat, not a fish fight. Switch sides, dog. Keep your contact.
What up?
How you coming back over here?
God damn. I want to get this.
Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the bed, I can find you. 6'1", money not two. You just said a word and I run through. Text no reply, that's what
With me, and turn this on, obey 100-degree. Chefs, cause she's a tradesman. She's so bougie.
A lot going on in here.
I might grab it. I'm like, give me like a week and I'll get back to you. What up, man? How you doing? Yeah, when you come next week, I'll have you.
Jack's Wax, man. They shutting it down. They shutting it down. The only products that touch my wide body is Jack's Wax. You feel me? If it's not Jack's Wax, it's not touching my car. What's going on? Yeah. Oh yeah. That's we had the other guys park over there, right? This is crazy. This is huge. Y'all about to take over. Y'all already taking over.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Whole lot.
That's what we call the EE boys ring.
Yo, what's up?
This way.
Got the cops.
Two-time baby girl, you know me.
Dopest minis ever, bro. Oh yeah. Look at the line. Look at the line, bro. If you ain't here already, don't even bother. This is crazy. Oh my God. You'd be the only one out here when you think about it.
That's what car shows are for.
I hear you. Look at that. One of one. You've never seen anything like this before. Never seen anything like this before. What's up, man?
Hey, everybody. I'm Earl 3.6.
Oh, what's up, dude? Yeah. It's called low right there. That's what you call low. I like that. I'm feeling that. Trying to get that boat in order. What up, man? You out?
What up? No, I'm just moving down here.
Oh, okay.
So where you been at, man?
Man, I've been off the scene for a minute, man.
Go back. She walked through the door, take that out.
Oh, yeah. Whole lot going on. Get that thing. Lights on the inside. Just my man caught you with the picture. Look at that. Who's doing that? You see all the colors coming out now. Everybody in the underglow. Wow.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
Good. Go for it. Take a picture, baby.
This is nice.
I like this.
Come on that way.
Oh yeah.
There's more on this side, darling.
SpongeBob, I like this.
There's more on this side.
More on this side. Let's do it. Let's see it. SpongeBob.
This way. Have been here.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go over here this way.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
See with it. If you go on the other, let me show you the inside of the box.
Okay, so you got. Oh my God.
215.
Jesus Christ.
215.
Yep.
Wow.
I don't play it. I cannot play inside
That's
of
a
it.
house speaker right there.
That ain't a house speaker, baby.
Yeah.
Inside of it has his name and
Look at this. The sponge box. I like that.
Oh Lord.
August 15th is Sundown Audio on Hickory.
Yeah.
If you're gonna go, you better go. You better bring earplugs. It's loud.
Wow. Look at that. That's crazy. There's some box in there.
See that?
That's crazy, bro. Look at that. Look at the stereo system. Look at that. That's crazy.
Thank you. Thank
That's
you.
nice. That's really nice.
I like it. That's creative too.
This one we need a 159.
Color boys. My bad, man.
Then they got the bar.
See if I can. That's clean. That's clean. Frostbite, man. Pins and shit.
That's why I was trying to mess with
Shaker Hood, 50th anniversary. That's crazy. Whole lot going on back here.
I was like, oh, it would be.
That's wild right there. Look at that. That's wild right there. Get up in there,
G
bro.
got on live with you.
Yeah.
Long live the GOAT, bitch.
Yeah.
You know what it is.
Dope meat, crazy stuff going on, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm hungry. Peace.